Alright everybody, welcome back to the Driveway Engineer. I'm JR. Man, that's blurry. How's that? I'm here at Weller's Self-Serve, and I'm gonna head out there and see what we can find. I didn't expect to hit a home run right out of the gate, but sometimes that's how it goes. Somebody peeled all the emblems, but this is a 300D, just like mine. So it's got the OM617. If I need any parts, I'm probably not gonna mess with it today. That's not what I'm here for, but just to kind of cover stuff for you guys. This is the fuel, the relay. Somebody took the injectors already. The injection pump is valuable-ish. This is the oil cooler. My new one just showed up, ironically. Somebody took the linkage. Yeah, it's probably worth something. If you're swapping, not a bad deal. I got so excited I lost my shit. Here it is. I mentioned it out in the parking lot. This is Weller's Self-Serve. And it's an interesting place because these are all the Fieros Forever cars from the place in Flint that flooded. It was a museum. It's an interesting place because they get newer stuff and they set it. They don't care. But they don't have a core return. And then their pricing can be kind of flaky too. So, something to be aware of. But I do enjoy it. This is where Daryl's engine came from. Actually, it was in that row I was just in. 98. Yeah, I think it was in either this row or the first row. And it was in a 1500. If you guys don't know, now you know the story of Daryl and how I got a 6-liter. Which, like I always say, everybody still continues to this day to be hung up on 6-liters. I was too, and I shouldn't have been. I only pulled that engine because it was a 6-liter, but I should have pulled any engine and been done way before. It's wet as hell out here. And crowded. Should have came on a Monday. Alright, I had to cut you guys off there. It's like loads of people out here today. People get weirded out when you film them. So, oh, what kind of treasures do you have for me today, Yard? Always been pretty successful at just finding stuff on the ground. I expect that to continue. We'll see. You guys will definitely see a lot more Junkyard videos coming. Crispy critter. They taking everything. Yeah, so this is like a fine example of I'm not finding stuff I'm looking for, but you just got to keep on. Also, I came into this yard cold, which is probably what a lot of you guys do when you tell me it's not possible and there's none out there. I bet that you just walked into that yard for the first time that day Oh, this is a 4200. Ew. Shame on you, Richard Holdner. I don't think these are mine, but they're mine now. See, the Junkyard does provide. Thanks, Junkyard. Moving on. Well, this is definitely a runner. Drive-by cable. She's a good one. LM7, LR4. Somebody posted in the Facebook group yesterday, would anybody like to trade my LM7 for your LQ4? And they just proceeded to roast the ever-loving shit out of the poor kid. And somebody asked me, like, why'd you approve that? I'm like, because there are people out there who think it never hurts to ask, and they deserve to know that sometimes it does hurt to ask. There's not one complete engine out here. They're all cut. It's starting to bum me out. I'm going to keep looking, though. Maybe I'll go to the other junkyard. Maybe Coco will do an extended bye-bye today. Ooh, Pontiac 6000. Oh, it's a Grand Am. For a while they called them 6000s, and then they went back to calling them Grand Ams. I might have to start making more trips back to Sterling Heights, which again is what I tell you guys, right? The yard closest to you don't have what you're looking for. Look in another yard and keep looking till you find what you're looking for. It takes effort, always. Well, I guess I shouldn't say it takes effort always. You guys keep sneaking stuff up off the ground, but like those vice grips, it generally takes effort. I definitely don't come out here counting on finding crap laying on the ground. Ooh, this is another 3500. HD. What do we got here? What year are you, guy? 97. I think that's too early for L29. It's a 454. Yeah, you can tell there's no coil packs. It's got a distributor still. This is a Vortec 454. Pretty cool. These trucks are super easy to solid axle swap because I already have a solid axle. It would be very cool to have one, get one, and build it. But it looks like most of them are ending up here. '05 crank no start 4.8 4L80. She's a candidate. What we got over here? 317 runs. What year is this one? A 10. Somebody got this one quick. This was a Gen 4. This one will have Gen 4 rods, but nothing else. I'm gonna go ahead and get to work here, pulling this harness and stuff, and I'll bring you guys back. All right, here's a little note for your files. I've had people ask me about black clear. There's blue red, blue green, And apparently there's black clear. It looks pretty cool because it says Delco Electronics on it. But this thing is worthless. This is a 99 S10. For our purposes, it's absolutely garbage. So I'm gonna go roam down here. I'll be right back. Alright, I wanted to come down here and show you guys that these Ford Super Duty, there's an even bigger one. The trucks like that one doesn't have one, but the trucks like that do have an even bigger one. These are stack plate. They have barbed hose fittings. They're a good design. They're pretty robust, and for junkyard pricing, it beats spending 120 bucks on a Trucool, I think. Let me walk over here real quick and see if there's anything. There's a cat in the junkyard. How weird. It's probably a universal. Oh, I'm completely blocked. I don't know. I think I'm going to wrap it up here. Coco's probably pretty bored in the truck. Yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Won't be but a couple days, and I'm going to start making a circuit of all the junkyards and pulling the stuff that I can make a buck on and filming it all for you guys. So I hope you enjoy, and hope you liked and subscribed, and we'll see you next time. Hopefully the weather's nicer, but not cooking me too much. See you guys.